love reflects God's faithful love. Ito na yung ating reference verse. Ulitin ko ulit, sabi sa Isaiah 49:15, which is on the screen. It says, "Can a mother forget the baby at her breast and have no compassion on the child she has born? Though she may forget, I will not forget you." Ang kagandahan nitong verse na to, ang Panginoon, He compares His own covenant to the love of a mother's compassion. Alam mo, even in difficult days, our contemporary moms right now, through sleepless nights, mga teenage rebellion, even the adults, children's struggle, makikita mo rin pa rin yung unconditional love ng mga magulang sa kanila. They never give up. Okay? Sino yung mga adult na, kasi kami ni Aster, ako na example ko, we were married, I was 25, Aster was 26, and we brought my mom along with us. So kaming tatlo lang sa bahay. Naalala ko yung mga binibigay niya na mga advice sa amin, isang ganun. And it's treasure. I guess that's what I'm trying to say.